dahil sa back leak. Sabi ng Whisper, what we need is a back fend. Back leak ulit? Naayos naman ang pagkalagay ko ng pad. Short pad. Baka bitin yan. Short nga eh. Sa tagal ng upo ko na, baka mag-back leak yan. What we need is a back fend. Whisper cotton long. Longer by 2 inches, kaya longer protection from back leak. Ayan, mas safe ka na sa back leak. Safest fend. Silver Hanks back fend. Whisper cotton long. Got your back.
Ang inasal, 49 pesos lang. Ang paborito mo, pancit bimon, sinuguan at puto, at halo-halo. Kaya delicious na, may sukli pa. Ang inasal, sarap, 49 pesos lang.
Dear Mommy, priority ko ang nutrition si Kevin. Kevin, kain na! Pero ang priority niya, laro. Lagi na lang. Paano ng nutrition niya? Huwag mag-alala. Meron tayong partner, Lacto, with essential nutrients from the food pyramid to help make them up 100% married. At ikaw, 100% panatag with Lacto. Lacto, 88 pesos lang. Affordable. Subukan mo.
Serious na yan? Parang unwanted guests yan. Huwag mo kang bahala dyan. May lactobacillus casting syrup strain that helps balance your digestive system so no more unwanted guests. Careful, mabuti yan.
If you like careful, you like careful. Careful, yeah, be careful. Careful, really, careful with this.
Ganado ka. Sa Argentina Coffee, ganado ka sa aroma, ganado ka sa kulay, ganado ka sa malamang na higla. Kaya lahat, ganado ka. Argentina Coffee, ganado ka. Angel, you cool?
Yeah, and cool. And cool. There are days when nothing goes right, but with Head & Shoulders Cool Menthol, it helps you be up to 100% dandruff-free forever. So you can count on your cool scalp.
That is cool.
To make everything all right, Head & Shoulders Cool Menthol. Now, get a hold of our limited edition, Fresh Baked with Lemon.
P&G.
Again, with natural soybean extracts and fine fragrance to keep me smooth and moisturized. For my most cherished moments, I use Give. Give, you're beautiful. Water Opening is easy with new Scotch Vitamin C pastilles. Now in tasty orange with a burst of berries. It's packed with vitamin C goodness kids love. Scotch Vitamin C Orange. Helps them grow strong and healthy.
Ang kabutihang dala ng Vetracin?
Kalusugan, iwas sakit ang mga alaga ko. Kaunlaran, protektado ang aking negosyo. Kasaganaan, 30 taon na akong tiwala dito. Sa Vitrasin, buong kumpiyansa ko. Lagi kaming may panlaban. Kredibilidad, di ako napataya dahil eksperto ang nirekomenda ko.
Para sa iba't ibang larangan ng paghahayupan, ang Vetracin ay kabalikat linamay sa kabisayan. Kabalikat na rin natin sa buhay. Vetracin, the trusted antibiotic vitamin supplement.
Ito.
Gusto niya na.
Ito.
Ang daming pera. Ariel kasi ang gamit niya. Sa ibang powder, kailangan pang tareta at bleach. Ariel, powder lang. Yan ang Saudi Kuripot kwento niya. Anong sa'yo?
Naiibangan ako.
It's Power Grip Tiger. May wholesome goodness, milky, and milk.
I'm not a milkshake, ready for anything. Be free from constipation. Free to feel light. Thanks to Senapot, the natural laxative proven to give you overnight relief. Feel light with Senapot. Salamat! On behalf of all the ladies, thank you for Lactocated White Intimate. Made with marine, plant, and milk extract. Lactocid lets you reveal a lighter bikini area within 4 weeks. Now, now, you can wear it sexier than ever, thanks to Lasted White Infinite from Sanity.
Marami na parami ang gumagamit ng Sigolac Built-in Hot Speed Solution. Premium kasi. Siguraduhin lang sa inyong pagbili na tunay na tatak Sigolac yan. Siguraduhin na tama ang nilalaman. Sigolac lang ang may Tigo Filter para malaman, malusog at maganda ang katawan ng baboy nyo. At ang siguradong tatak Sigolac, siguradong premium. Sigolac Built-in Hot Speed, lamang ka sa malaman. Pag di sigurado, kawawa ang baboy mo.
Buti na lang, lagi kang ready para sa touching moment. Salamat sa enjoy with a touch of away. Ang dishwashing liquid that helps keep hands soft. Parang nag-soft. Keeping the moisture in your hands para feeling soft.
Happy anniversary, hon, in a place where we first met.
Ready ka na para sa touching moment. Enjoy with a touch of away.
Angel, you moved?
Yeah, and cool. And cool. There are days when nothing goes right, but with Head & Shoulders Cool Menthol, it helps you be up to 100% dandruff-free forever. So you can count on your cool scalp.
That is cool.
To make everything all right. Head & Shoulders Cool Menthol. Now, get a hold of our limited edition Fresh Roasted Lemon.
P&G. Brand Choco. May sarap ng Choco at gatas na may tibay-resistant nutrients. Nestle, good food, good life.
Things change, but some pimple marks won't go away. From the Pond's Institute, Pond's Detox is now Pond's White Beauty for acne-prone skin with Korean ginseng. Purifies the fade pimple marks and whitens skin. Reveal your translucent, rosy white glow. That's for pimple marks from Pond's. Nestle Wellness na naman. Here's what's in store for us. May free nutrition consultation. May free grab. Libreng mug. Free Eco Pack. Free sachets at libreng sandwich cater. More value for more wellness sa Nestle Wellness Promo Pack. Buy now. Choose wellness. Choose Nestle.
Tatagal. Mag-dine with freshness of brownie. Puting amoy bagong labang.
Wala. Nagsampay hanggang susunod.
Dine, project ng putihan. 850 lang.
From the leader in mobile comes the world's first smart power app. Lets you enjoy the internet in affordable bundles. Email non-stop, chat away, share tons of pics, or be social to tawa for free. No hidden charges. Download the smart power app now.
Ang favorite ko, gets ang gusto ko. At sa burger, gets ako ng Jollibee Yum. Kasi sa unang lahat, alam mo lang masarap. And it's made with 100% pure beef. That's why it's the best tasting burger. So yum. Habang iba tayo. My 97 pesos, just what? Sa 97 pesos mo. What? With Ariel, that's a big crack. It's not just an 8 fashion spree, it's got the big.